Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this, and I'm not going to do all the details. I'm just going to explain it. I posted the video on my channel if anybody's interested. It's just a video. It's just a laser cutting a block in half. My my headphones are on and my things sounds on this. Anyways, so this is basically the project setup here. I just have a sphere around it with the texture that I got off a Blender kit. If you don't know what Blender kit, go look it up. I'm not gonna really explain too much, but this is yeah, it's just a sphere, and then I threw in a background image just for lighting, and I got this. I got all the textures off the Blender kit. So if you type in metal, you can get this. If you type in lava, you can get this lava, and if you type in glow, I think you can get the laser. But you'll have to mess around with it a little bit. Basically, this is the laser. Obviously, it's an emission, and I'll show all the material. Where's the damn thing at? Oh yeah, here it is. Here's the setup. It's just a layer weight, and then the lava. What you have to do is you mix your lava shader, so you can Blender kit get a lava shader. You mix it with a transparent and a color ramp right here, and basically the color ramp is edited with the gradient and the map. So it's basically gonna start here and end there. So if you notice, as I move, these are moving. That's what you want to do. You want to animate, and you press I on this to animate. So press I here, and when you get the end, press. And so basically, this is just two squares. This is two spheres. And what you do is grab a plane right here, and you go into edit mode and extrude it a little bit, so you get a little bit cut here. Okay. And then you put it with the square, you boolean it difference with the plane, and then it'll cut it in half. Like I said, I'm not going to explain all of it, but basically there's two squares here. One's not booleaned, the other one is. And basically it's the same thing with the lava. This is the lava is just two planes on the insides with an additional sphere right here, or just like extra to put some lava right there. See how that works? Works pretty good actually. I don't know, there might be a different way to do it, but I know that the sparks can be better. The sparks are just what I did was I put a circle here, wherever the fucking circle is. Can't even see where the circle's at. There's a circle somewhere. I think I just had it. Circle. There's a circle. Well, anyways, you just get in a circle and a mission for a particle system here. I can't even see it because here it is. Jesus Christ. It's just got a particle system. You add the particle system in as an object, randomize, scale randomness, and then you have an object for this is the object. And for the spark, but I couldn't get the sparks to flow that well. But basically, it's just a noise with the original lava with the noise and transparent to kind of make it look different. Play around. But basically, this has three different forces here. Force, vortex, and wind. Shift, add, force. And then you just parent it all to the circle so it stays with it when you move it. And then, so when this stuff comes off the particle system, the sparks, and I think I have 15 life, they'll basically be affected by the force. And so then basically what I did was I moved them around to try. I put frames on the rotation of the force field, or the gravity, or the force, whatever force. Go to graph editor, over here, or hit end, it pops up modifiers as a noise, add a noise, and play with that around with the noise. So basically, if you do that for all the rotations, right click, insert keyframes. It'll basically like throw around the particles as it's moving. So if you look how they're moving, which it didn't really get that good of a result. I was trying to kind of just make it look real, you know, but it didn't really get that. But that being said, I got a decent result. And that's basically it. You move the transparency of the one sphere over, and you might even be able to do this without doing two spheres or two boxes, because if you look, there's like, you can hardly even see the cut in between. But I guess it still counts for something, because I guess it does count, give it some dimension. But you might even be able to put a plane here with the lava on it and just follow it. I wouldn't be and another note, I wouldn't be surprised if you could make put some text in here out of the lava. And then have the animate the laser to follow it, the text, but have it appear. So like, I guess it's kind of hard to like. So it basically lasers it onto it. But that was a more advanced thing. With that, that's the end of the video. I don't want to make it too long. I was just like breaking it down.